Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how to refund orders on your Wix site. But before that, here's an important heads up from Wix that you need to know. Payments made using the manual payment method and with certain payment providers need to be provided outside of Wix. And before you can refund a PayPal order, you need to enable advanced feature. We're going to be leaving a link below for you to follow those options in case you need further instruction on those. And with that out of the way, let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales, then go to Orders. Look for the order that you want to refund, and then click on it. Here, go to More Actions, and then select Refund. And now on this page, tick the checkbox of the item or items that you want to refund. And by the way, if the same item is more than one, you can adjust how many items you want to refund or you need to refund over here. Once you're done selecting the items to refund, go to the bottom and then select the reason for refunding this order or these items. Also, if you want to send the customer a confirmation email, make sure this checkbox is ticked and then leave a note over here. And by the way, here on the right, you'll see a summary. Make sure to review it to avoid mistakes because this action cannot be undone. Once everything's all good and ready, click on Refund over here. Once marked as refunded, this can't be undone. Make sure to complete the refund through the payment provider or directly with the customer. Once you're sure, click on Marked as Refunded. And that's it. That's all for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.